video is going to give you some actionable tips and a lot of tools on how you can streamline your content creation process by using AI tools. We all know that it can take time sometimes to develop good content, especially if you're creating something like worksheets or you're doing something that is a little bit more content heavy. The goal of today's video is to share how you can make that process faster for yourself using AI tools. So we'll look at how you can use AI to write text for greeting cards, to make royalty-free photos into unique images for artwork or journals, to create questions for worksheets, and also how you can use AI to help you organize your research and plan content. First of all, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's essentially tools that can help you automate your content creation process and make it quicker and faster. It's everywhere these days, and it's not only for content creation. Of course, AI can be used for all types of things. But when it comes to using AI for printable products, it really comes down to choosing the right tools. You can waste a lot of time trying all the different tools out there, but to help you kind of cut through all of that, we're going to dive into some of the AI tools that I find the most useful in my content creation process. If you create and sell printable greeting cards, you probably know that the part that takes the longest is thinking about what text to write. AI tools can really help you out with this. There are a lot of them. One of the ones that I really like is copymatic.ai, because not only can it come up with sort of phrases for greeting cards, but you can also use it for things like blog posts, coming up with topics for your blog, coming up with social media copy, and it does it for you. So it's doing the actual writing. Essentially, to use Copymatic, it's just a 3-step process. You pick what you want to write, so the type of writing tool that you need. Then you fill in your product details. So if you're writing a greeting card, you'll just let it know you're doing a greeting card, and then you'll kind of give it the topic. And then you click Generate AI Content, and you will have a variety of phrases on the topic you've given it to choose from. The second tool that I want to talk about is how to sort of take those like royalty-free, free for commercial use stock images and make them your own. We all know there's lots of places that we can go to get commercial use images. Pixabay and Unsplash are two really great ones, but there's a ton. However, when you grab an image off of one of those websites, you know that there are creators all over the world grabbing that exact same image, and they might even be using it on the same type of product as you. So what do you do to make the image different, to make it look special and unique for your product? One thing that you can do is to use some of the AI photo generation tools, so they can reimagine a photo in a variety of different styles. The one that we're going to talk about right now that I really like is Deep Dream Generator. It is free. All you need to do is sign up for an account. You choose an image, and then you can change that image into a variety of different styles. So they can be styles inspired by famous painters. Maybe you want to apply the style of Van Gogh to your photo, or Matisse. They could be styles inspired by distinctive graphics. So maybe you want to take sort of that Campbell's soup can by Andy Warhol and merge that with your photo. Or they could be styles to invoke a mood. So you want to make something look dreamy, or you want to make something look brighter. The Deep Dream Generator can do all of that in just a few clicks. You simply navigate to the website, deepdreamgenerator.com, sign up, and then you can select what you want to do with the image, which sort of style you want, upload your image, click, and you're ready to go. You've got a new, unique image for your product that no one else is going to have. For those of you that create worksheets, educational printable type stuff, there are some great AI tools that can help you generate questions to use on worksheets, so that you're not having to come up with them all by yourself. One of my favorites is Text Optimizer, textoptimizer.com. You can input a topic and it will give you a list of questions. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Okay, here I am on textoptimizer.com. I'm in the Find Content Ideas tab, and I can think of any sort of topic that I want, anything that I am currently writing a worksheet on. Maybe I'm doing a worksheet on like art history and I want to come up with some questions on Picasso. I can enter Picasso, click the go button, and then you'll see here I have a gigantic list of questions about Picasso. So how did Pablo Picasso die? Who did Picasso work with? Where is the Picasso Museum? Why did Pablo Picasso paint? Where did Pablo Picasso live? So I've got tons of questions that I can grab from here for free to create my Picasso worksheet. The last tool that I want to introduce you guys to is a mind mapping tool. So often if I'm creating, especially like a set of content, so a series of worksheets or a journal on a certain topic, and I have just lots of content that I need to organize, one great tool that I've found to help me do that organization is mindmeister.com. Mind mapping is just a really good way to sort of organize your thoughts while still allowing you to be creative. So here's an example of MindMeister at work. The great thing about it is it's all drag and drop. So you can sort of put your journal prompts or put your worksheet questions in there. It's easy to reorder them. You simply drag and drop them. You can change colors and fonts, which can help you if you're doing like maybe a journal with different sections. So all of the journal prompts about self-esteem maybe are blue, and all of the journal prompts about like life reflection are green. MindMeister has a lot of tools to really help you organize your content quickly and easily. Those AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg. I have a ton more tips, tricks, tool recommendations in my Easy AI Printables product. It reveals just how easy it is to automate printable products. And there is no huge learning curve. The AI really is doing the majority of this content creation work for you. It's perfect for people who want to use AI tools to create low content printables, people who want to branch out into new printable niches without spending hours on content creation, and more. Check out my website, amyharrop.com, and this product is Easy AI Printables.